Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to change your Toyota Tacoma transfer case actuator. This is a common repair that you can definitely tackle yourself. Before we begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your truck is in two-wheel drive and the parking brake is engaged. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. You will need a few basic tools, including a 12mm socket and a torque wrench. Finally, remove any skid plates that might be blocking your access to the transfer case. Now let's get underneath your Tacoma. The transfer case actuator is a black box located on the rear of the transfer case. First, unplug the electrical connector. It usually has a simple release tab. Next, carefully remove any hoses attached to the actuator. Then, using your 12mm socket, remove the 3 mounting bolts. These can sometimes be a bit tight. Once the bolts are out, gently pry the old actuator away from the transfer case. Be prepared for a small amount of transfer case fluid to drip out, so have a drain pan ready. This next step is crucial for proper 4-wheel drive function. Before installing the new actuator, ensure the transfer case's internal shift rod is in the 2-wheel drive position. You might need to gently manipulate it by hand. Next, align the new actuator's internal gears with this rod. Apply a thin layer of fresh transfer case gear oil to the new actuator's O-ring to ensure a good seal. Carefully slide the new actuator into position, making sure it seats flush. Finally, install the 3 mounting bolts and torque them to 15 foot-pounds or 20 Newton-meters. With the new actuator securely in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Reconnect the electrical harness to the actuator, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Don't forget to reattach any hoses you removed earlier. Next, reinstall your skid plates, making sure all bolts are tightened. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Tacoma and thoroughly test the 4-wheel drive system, cycling through 2-wheel drive, 4-high, and 4-low to confirm proper operation. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your transfer case actuator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.